I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you.
Okay? So now you have it in your lap, so if you would close your eyes and just listen. I will walk you through one round. So you're going to breathe through your nose. That's number one. Not through your mouth. Why through my nose, Dr. Hew Len? The reason why is a higher level of consciousness. So as you breathe in, it's going to be a natural breathing. So you breathe in gently, and in your mind you're counting up to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or however you count. Everybody will have its own rhythm. So you breathe in, and you're counting to 7, and then you hold for 7 counts. And then you exhale for 7 counts. As you're exhaling, you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then you're going to hold for 7 counts. That's one round. I'm going to go over it again. You breathe in for 7 counts, hold for 7 counts, exhale for 7 counts, hold for 7 counts. That's one round.
Ho'oponopono. Maybe you've heard of it, maybe you haven't. If you haven't heard of it, brace yourself, because it's the most powerful, the most transformational, the most magical, the most miraculous technique I've ever come across. I'm Dr. Joe Vitale. I've written 80 books. I've recorded 15 albums. I have 200-some products. I have a coaching program, certification programs. But nothing ever has had the impact in my life as Ho'oponopono has. I've been teaching it to other people since around 2005. There is great depth to it, though it's very simple. On the very superficial level, there's really only 4 phrases, and you're kind of saying them as a quiet prayer or petition. But there's so much more to it than that. And what I really want you to do is check it out. I want you to check it out for you, your family, your friends, and ultimately for the world. It's that powerful. And as I like to say, expect miracles.
I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you.